A bit surprised,
Right.
but of course, when you come into this world, you serve based on where the Prime Minister wants you to be. And I came in and I decided to leave my normal life and come into this world because I truly believed in the vision of our Prime Minister. And I am willing to do whatever is necessary to assist him in reaching the goals that I know all Jamaicans want us to achieve.
Right.
And so this is a new one. It's a surprising one, but it is one that I know is very important, and it's one that is actually very dear to my heart because I know the power of education. And for everybody who has done well in Jamaica, education has played a very important part in that. And so the goal really is to move that forward. And I was on the Education Commission that did the Patterson report. I chaired two of the committees, so I know it deeply and I know the issues. And I do know that we have some of the best teachers in the entire world. I know we have professionals at the Ministry of Education that are working to make things happen, but there are a lot of issues. There are a lot of issues there, and so it's not going to be an easy portfolio, but it is an important one, and I will do as best as I can with God's help in contributing to its development.
I am deeply honored and profoundly humbled to be given this opportunity to be Jamaica's Minister of Finance. The role is one of great responsibility, and it comes at a pivotal moment in our country's journey. We're in a time that continues to demand vision, resilience, and a steadfast commitment to building a future that offers both stability and opportunity for all citizens. I assure you, I am ready to work tirelessly to continue to make this vision a reality. But let me say as well, finance is more than balancing the books. It is about ensuring that every resource we allocate, every policy we enact, and every initiative we launch is a step towards a more prosperous and a more inclusive economy. And in this role, I pledge to prioritize accountability and innovation and to listen closely to the needs and aspirations of those we serve. Our economy, like those across the globe, continues to face challenges, but I see in these challenges incredible opportunities to continue to build on the foundation that has been created to create an even more resilient country. We will continue to invest in infrastructure needed for sustainable growth, and you heard the Prime Minister when he talked about the pivotal moment where we are to pivot towards accelerated growth. He mentioned that education, the ministry from which I am leaving, and congratulations, Minister. I will download to you everything I know.